Hello everyone, welcome back. This is a session for creating funnel chart. If you see here in this visualization section, this funnel button is here. Just click on that funnel button. You will see this layout of funnel. Just increase the session. Just increase this. Now, you can add subcategory. In the category section, you can see here you will get category as you can add this category or subcategories as well. You can add. So you will add subcategory here, and in the values section you can add sales. Okay, so this is a good a funnel shape like a structure chart you will get here. So these are the subcategories. So these are the subcategories on this axis, and here you will see different sales values are there. So sales by subcategories are represented on the um, sales by subcategories are represented by using this funnel chart. Okay, so we can just for cosmetic changes, as usual, you can go to this format your visual section. There you can change the colors. Okay, I can change this to this one. Then I can change the data labels. Okay, I can do some cosmetic changes to this axis. Okay. Okay, so that's it. This is a funnel chart for in Power BI. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you have understood this funnel chart, how to build, how to do the cosmetic changes. So thanks for watching.